You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm going to show you absolute value. And absolute value refers to distance. What do I mean by that? Looking at a number line, okay, from 0 to 4, the length of that would be 4, okay? But from 0 to -4, the length is also 4, right? There's no such thing as a negative distance. In football, if you lose 4 yards, it's still a length of 4 yards. So all lengths have a positive value. So from 0 to -4, the length is 4, as well as 0 to +4. So we say these two bars mean absolute value. So the absolute value of 4 is 4. The absolute value of -4 is also 4. Absolute value does not mean opposite, okay? It just means absolute value, the distance, the length, okay? The length from 0 to 4 is 4. The length from 0 to -4 is 4, okay? Absolute value of 7 is 7. Absolute value of -9 is 9. Absolute value of 53 is 53. Absolute value of -13 is 13. Absolute value of 47 is 47. Absolute value of -32 is 32. Now, recall that the opposite of -7 or -7 equals 7. Opposite of -19 or -19 is 19. -38 is 38, okay? With that in mind, now, the absolute value of -7 is +7. You do that first, then you take the negative, which makes -7, okay? Absolute value of -19 is 19. Take the negative of that and you get -19. The absolute value of 9 is 9. Take the negative of that, you get -9. Absolute value of 21 is 21. The negative of that is -21. Okay. 5 minus 9 is -4. Absolute value of -4 is 4. 11 minus 3 is 8. The absolute value is 8. 2 minus 9 is -7. Absolute value is +7. -3 plus 8 is 5. Absolute value is +5. -8 plus 3 is -5. Absolute value is +5. 0 minus 6 is -6. Absolute value is +6. Multiplying. Okay, 3 times absolute value of 4. Absolute value of 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Absolute value of -4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 9 and -7 is 2. The absolute value is 2. The negative of that is -2. -3 plus 5 is 2. Take the negative of that, it's -2. -3 minus 5 is -8. The absolute value is +8. But the negative of that will be -8. Absolute value of 6 is 6. 6 and -2 is 4. Absolute value of -5 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Absolute value of -4 is 4. The negative of that is -4. -4 minus 7 is -11. The absolute value of 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. The absolute value of 5 and -2 is 3. -2 times 3 is -6. -6 plus 3 is negative 3. The absolute value of 2 minus negative 4 is positive 6. 3 times positive 6 is 18. 5 plus 18 is 23. The absolute value of 4 and negative 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Absolute value of 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Absolute value of negative 2 minus 8 is absolute value of negative 10. Okay? So the negative of the absolute value of negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus positive 10 is 7. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. The negative of the absolute value of negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus positive 7 equals 6. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1, but the negative of that is negative 1. Negative 1 plus positive 3 equals 2. You've been watching the Weiss channel.